Hello everyone! Today, we are going to learn how to create a dynamic Gantt chart for project management in Microsoft Excel. Let's jump right in. Prepare your data. You would list your tasks in column A. You can enter start dates in column B, and then enter end dates in column C. Enter duration in column D. Select your data range. That would be the start date. Go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click on Bar Chart, then choose Stacked Bar. And then right-click on the chart and select Select Data. Click Add to add a new series for the start dates, which would be the duration. Then click OK. Right-click on the chart in the Fill and Line pane, select Fill, then choose No Fill. To fix the cluttered axis at the bottom, you copy and paste the start date and the last end date. Select those dates and then select the number which is in the Home tab. Then go on to click on General. Then on the axis, you right-click to select Format Axis. And then under Axis Options, which is followed by Bounds, you enter the minimum number and the maximum. Now you have a simple Gantt chart that visually represents your project's timeline. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a basic Gantt chart to manage your projects effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you next time.